video, I'm gonna show you how to make an edible strawberry yogurt face mask. Prepare 3 large strawberries or 5 to 6 small strawberries. Cut off the green tops. Blend strawberries. Add yogurt and honey. Mix it well. Apply to your skin and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse it off. Strawberries are high in vitamin C and antioxidants. Strawberry is a natural exfoliant. This removes dead skin and pigmented skin. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which is a natural exfoliant and skin moisturizer. Honey is rich in antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Strawberry yogurt face mask will make you look young and make your skin more radiant glow.